So by now you probably must have known about your face shape. If you haven't, go ahead and check the video down in the description box, or you can check out my page on my channel. You definitely see that video. It talks about everything about your face shape. So today's video, we're going to be looking at the kind of hairstyles that are going to look beautiful on each type of face shape. Let's begin. Now, if you have an oval face shape, lucky you, you have the perfect shape on planet Earth, honestly. Now, every single type of face shape type of hairstyle is going to look good on you, ranging from the center part, the side parts, layered hairs, anything at all is really going to look good on you. Now, here is a modest tip that's really going to help you. Now, a mid-volume bond with a front swoop or turban tie flatters your asymmetrical features beautifully. Honestly, just try it out and let us know how it looks like in the comment section. Now, if you have a rounded face shape, it simply means your face is full and sweet. Now, let's add some length to it, okay? Now, here are some hairstyles that are going to really look good on you. First of all, we have the side parts. We have long layers, as in long layered hairs. We have volume at the crown. Hairs that have volume at the crown, top of your head, and also loose braid or scarf ties that add height is really going to look beautiful on you. And now here is a modest tip that you can try. Try half scarf styles that elongate the face. Leave volume at the top, not the sides. This type of hairstyle is really going to bring out your face and also add some form of length to your face. Already the face is rounded, right? So try that out this week and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Now, if you have a square face, it simply means you have a strong jawline. Now we're going to help you soften that up with curves, okay? So now these are the type of hairstyles or patterns that are going to really look good on you. You're going to be looking at the side swept bangs. Second, we have coily wavy textures. And we also have layered ends, also soft buns with pieces left out. This type of hairstyles are really going to look good on you. Reason being that since you already have a stronger jawline, okay, it's going to help soften this out by adding those curves for you. This is a modest tip that you're going to use. Now, a rounded turban hairstyle or hijab draped with loose front layers, soft overload. This is going to look so beautiful on you. Try this out and let us know what it looks like on you in the comment section. So now let's say you have a hat face shape, which means you have a wider forehead, okay, and a narrowed chin. Now these are kind of hairstyles or patterns that are going to look good on you. Now you're going to try to balance these two parts out. Now, first of all, trying a side parting will really look good on you. The next one is chin length bulbs. We have low buns. Low buns will also look good on you. We have soft curls near the jawline. Will also help balance out, okay, that part on your face. Now you're going to simply try this over the weekend and let's know how this turns out for you. Now the modest tip for you is to, sorry, I'm looking at this, I wrote it down, I don't want to forget anything. Now the modest tip for you is to add fullness near your neck, okay, or under your scarf to visually anchor your look. Let's say you have an oblong face, which I fall under, and let's say your face is way longer, okay, than mine, and you want to break up the length. This is what you're going to do. You're going to try cotton bangs, okay? This picture on the screen, try cotton bangs. Also try shoulder length hairstyles. It always looks good. Layered curls and volumized side. You know when you have those side patterns that is always high? Those type of side patterns will really look good on you. It's something I know looks good on me very well. So yes, it will definitely look good on you. It will also help reduce the length on your face. Okay, if you have a diamond face shape, it simply means you have a sharper cheekbone. Okay, sorry, a sharp it simply means you have a sharpened cheekbones. So now let's try and soften that with frames. All right, now these are the type of hairstyles or patterns that are going to look really good on you. Now the first one is middle parts. Middle parts will look more beautiful on you. Okay, simply reason being that side parts is really going to help cover up these points that looks a bit narrow on the inside, Once it falls on the cheekbones, it helps balance it out. Okay. Number 2, tuck styles behind the ear. Okay, will also look good on you as well. Half up and half down type of hairstyle will also look beautiful on you. Then chin length waves, chin length, all those wavy hair that are chin length will also really look good on you. So now, just a quick reminder, you don't need to cut your hair, you don't need to decolor your hair, you don't need to do anything shabby or anything to your hair. Just calm down, just work on the patterns, okay, how you either increase volume or reduce volume or something like that. It's really going to help you. And also look at the length of the hair as well. Now, the hairstyle that can look good on every single person, especially if you're an African like myself. Now, hairstyle, let's say braids now, okay? Longer braids like this looks good on almost everybody. Every single person, long braids will always look good on you, okay? Also, Ghana weaves as well. That's if you don't have a very big forehead like myself, or if you have a big forehead like myself, but then you don't have front hair. Please don't do Ghana weaving. But Ghana weaving definitely does look good on every single African girl. It always brings out your face properly. It snatches. Do you understand? So now hairstyles like that will always look good on you. Another one is fringe. You know, full fringe now. Full fringe that is short. Some short fringe looks good on almost every face shape. So that is just it. Don't go in for any serious type of dramatic thing. I want to start changing your face or start changing your hair. No, just follow the simple steps and then just tweak things from here and there. Your face will definitely come out. So that is just it for this video, guys. If you have any question, if you have anything you want to say about the video or any thoughts you want to leave for us in the comment section, please do that in the comment section. I would love to read and also get back to you. And other than that, if you want to still go in depth, knowing your face shape, the type of earrings to wear, the type of sunglasses to wear, the type of hair colors to use, the type of body shape, your undertone, your skin tones, every single thing that has to do with you. Your simple workbook is in the description box. So just go ahead. If you want it, you can always tap and then make use of it. It's really going to help you, because once you get to know about yourself from A to Z, you will not have any problem anymore. You just know where to go to and what to do, and you go from 0 to 100. So that's just it for this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, bubbles.